89.5 Subic Bay Radio, music coming from the Inner Voices when our friend Nance Del Rosario was still with them as the lead vocalist. All right, and it was the 14th PMPC Star Awards awardee for the Revival Recording of the Year, which was awarded to the band Inner Voices for the revival of that song, an original Gary Valenciano hit. Music called Paano. Okay, this serves as a testament of what they've had as a band all those years. According to Kuya Nance, from the time he was acquired as their lead vocalist from year 2012 and the time he rejoined last 2021. So there you go. Congratulations, Inner Voices, huh? Pati na rin kay Kuya Nance Del Rosario when he was on the lead vocals for the band when they did that song, which happened to won the 14 PMPC Star Awards for the Revival Recording of the Year. How awesome is that, huh? Okay, and moving on, time once again for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. All right, and a couple of job openings pa. Since you guys all know, we're still celebrating May 1, Labor Day special. The whole month of May actually for us here is like, being associated with the SBMA Labor Department. Ang buong month of May parang labor-related month talaga, the whole month. But first, before that, SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose L. Alino welcomed officials from the Philippine National Police Special Action Force, or we call them the SAF, PNP SAF, during their courtesy visit at the chairman's office of the administration building. Police Major Ray B. Balcueva, Police Captain John Paul Agod, Police Lieutenant Jovelita Taguban, and Police Executive Master Sergeant Ronnie L. Favor are among the officials who gave Chairman Alino a visit. All right, so yeah. Snappy salute to you, officers. Thank you for your visit. Okay? And also, in addition to that, back-to-back yung mga courtesy calls, courtesy visit ng mga kaibigan natin dito sa ating Chairman and Administrator's Office. Talaga naman, napaka-popular ng ating Chairman and Administrator. SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose L. Alino welcome officials from the Bureau of Immigration, this time BOI, and other stakeholders at the Chairman's Office of the administration building. Okay, Immigration Officer Benny Triguero, Smart Info President and CEO Odilon Santa Teresa, Tomo Technology Officer Ki Yulong, and Attorney Mark Antonio are part of the delegation who paid Chairman Alino a visit, their courtesy call. Wow. All right. So that's the latest piece of news. And as I said, a couple more job announcements. Ang dami na nating in-announce sa job announcement. May pahabol pa. Okay? CHRMS, Success Through People. They are hiring over 30 positions open. According to our friend na si Kuya Francis. Ayan, ang hiring daw ay nasaan ba to? Sa hiring at Vercons Triangle. There you go. Yan. Punta na kayo ngayon, ha? Alright. Para dito, ito yung mga hirings muna, positions. They are looking for the following to fill in the following positions. Store Officer, Supervisor, HR Assistant, Head Cashier, Customer Service, Purchasing Staff, Treasury Staff, LDO Checker, Pricing Clerk, Frontline Head, Team Leader, CCTV Operator, Sales Associate, Driver, Utility Baggers, Warehouseman, Encoder, and a whole lot more. Okay? So for those who are interested, please contact Miss Gina Fe Servito. Ayan, sabi ni Kuya Francis, ang cellphone number 0919-869-8363. I'm gonna have to repeat that. 0919 869-8363. Ayan. Si Ate Gina is a BACC supporter. Ayan. Yung kapatid natin si Kuya Francis, BAC kapwa natin BACC yan. Kapatid din natin. Okay? So, kumpletuhin na natin. Nabanggit na rin lang natin yung BACC. Ayan, sila Kuya Allen Lim, Clarice Joyce, Esther Romero, Doc Eve Natividad, si Sir Fer Julian, pero sa Facebook, Fergie ang nakalagay. Combination ng kanyang, mahal, other half. Si Sir Francis Mercado, ayan, si Kagawad, Teniente Adlawan, Milbert Adlawan, Manny Oranza, si Sir Manny, si Sir Marvin Bakay, si Madam Ninda Elevani, Noel Yabot Atienza, si Sir Noel Yabot, attorney. Okay, Peter Alderton, si Kuya Ben, Sir Ben Natividad. Ayan, okay. Our brothers. Magandang noontime, no? 12:25. I guess the proper greeting is happy celebration of your lunch. Yeah. Okay, so those are the announcements and the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. All right. And right about now, let me give you the invitation coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, you're all invited to the shoes and bags sale. Wow. All right, this is awesome. Mga mahilig sa shoes, parang laging magkamatch yan, ano? Pagka may sale na ganyan, shoes and bags, talagang magkasama lagi, no? Ano bang meron sa shoes at saka sa bag? Well, yung shoes daw, nilalagay sa bag. Yun ba yun? Okay. And, yeah, more details about it. It's from May 1 to 31, up to 50% off at the SM store. So visit the, it's gonna be May full of shoes and bags. Okay? May 1 to 31, up to 50% off at SM store. Okay? So, yan, you guys hurry, ha? Huwag kayong pahuhuli. Sayang naman, up to 50% off. And our home is featuring Smack Prestige Card and Smack Cards exclusive, 40% off just for the month of May. Wow. So visit our home today at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Nasa third level po siya. Huh? Okay. Miniso is now open at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Downtown, as well as My Girl Milk Tea and Coffee. Second level naman ang My Girl ng SM City Olongapo Downtown. And Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant would like you to try their flavors of summer special halo halo. Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant is at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. And get a free tote bag with every 499 pesos purchase at the food court of SM Central, 4th level, plus Coca-Cola products. Free tote bag for everybody. Ayan, purchase lang kayo. Visit the food court, 4th level. CBTL, Kabalen. Kabalen. Susunod yung CBTL. Kabalen Free Buffet promo is ongoing. Just bring along with you 4 paying customers and present your Smack Advantage card. Your buffet is gonna be free. And CBTL, as I was saying, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf presents free drink upsize up until December 31. So visit CBTL. Second level inside the SM store. Kabayan Day is ongoing every first Tuesday of the month. All right, don't forget. 10% off on all OFWs and their families. 10% off on SM affiliate stores like Miniso, Ace Hardware, The Surplus, SM Cinema, and a whole lot more. Okay. And lastly, if you got plans of watching the movies at SM Cinemas, let me give you the lineup of movies. Ito po yung latest lineup of movies at SM Cinema. Downtown, May 1 to 2. Uy, last day na ngayon. May 1 to 2 lang pala. Cinema 1 Tarot, or some say Tarot, silent T daw. Parang yung wallet, di ba? Silent T, di walay. Kasi yung omelette daw, ano eh? Omelette. Ayan. Eh di yung ano, yung Tagalog na word na utot, silent T, uto. All right, and here's SM Cinema Central's movie schedule, May 1 to 7. Uy, hanggang May 7. Hanggang birthday ko. Happy birthday to me. Pwedeng manood. Sa May 7 ako manonood, siyempre. Ititreat ko si Mahal to a movie. Cinema 1, there you go again. Tarot. The tarot cards. Cinema 2, Bantay Bahay. Kinda sounds like an organization of homeowners association. Bantay Bahay, it's a movie. Cinema 3, Elevator. Yeah, sounds like a moving cubicle in every tall buildings. Cinema 4, Men Are From QC. Women Are From Alabang. That's the song, Alabang Girls, the Andrew E. Interesting name or interesting title for a movie, huh? I think, yeah, it's a Filipino movie. Kasi QC Alabang Cinema 5, The Fall Guy. Does this feature the sinong nakakaalam, the Fall Guy, the original Fall Guy, si Mr. Lee Majors. And lastly, Cinema 6 Extended, Godzilla X Kong. Okay, so there you go. That's what's showing at SM Cinemas, downtown and central. So see you at the movies. Buy your tickets now, okay? Moving on, here's our next requested song. Music coming from Newfound Glory. This one's called Forget Everything. 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.